Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor and theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible Quick is Why Atheists Just Don't Get It. I hope to teach you something that you might not have known before, but please listen and be skeptical and check me and any other Bible teacher out in comparison to what the Bible actually says. So let's look at the topic today, why atheists don't get it. The foundation of Christian theism is the life of Christ, his fulfillment of prophetic predictions, his life, death, burial, physical resurrection, and his post-resurrection life, eyewitnessed by over 500 people. See 1 Corinthians 15, 1 through 8. For Christians, the verifiability of this event justifies Christ's claim to be Yahweh, the Creator. You see, Yahweh introduced himself to humankind through Moses, predicted that he would come in the flesh as a man at a later time. About 1,500 years later, he identified that he was that same Creator God Yahweh in the person of Jesus Christ. So, let's see. For Christians, the verifiability of this event justifies his claim to be Yahweh the Creator. Now, several New Testament scholars, very highly educated people, notably Gerd Ludeman and Bart Ehrman, have agreed to the historic veracity of the events of the life of Christ. And in the notes, you can see a link to the video in which that is demonstrated. Now, yes, those men continued to be atheists, but ones who cannot explain how a man can raise himself from the dead in this way, using known naturalistic means. So what they do is they assign it to the realm of the mystery of the not yet known. It's the atheism's version of the atheism of the gaps. This illustrates the point as follows. After 1900 years of debate, there are no new arguments on either side, either atheist or theist. The impasse comes down to worldview. Which worldview are you going to believe? And the worldview that a person believes is a preconceived assumption, whether you're atheist or theists. You assume that the world is either all naturalistic, like Carl Sagan said, the cosmos is all there is, was, or ever will be, or you assume that the Bible was accurate when it said in Genesis 1, in the beginning God created. The one you choose to believe is the one that informs the content of your belief. Now, theists believe in a bifurcated reality, physical and metaphysical. Atheists believe in a monistic reality of materialism only. The only way that we will ever agree is that one of us must change our worldview. Atheists believe that would require a theist's rejection of a metaphysical fantasy idea. Theists believe that requires the atheist to reject materialism only as true. And we will never agree. We cannot even reasonably discuss the proposition. We speak past each other. The Christian Bible refers to it in this way. The natural person does not accept the things of the Spirit of God, for they are folly to him, and he's not able to understand them because they are spiritually discerned. 1 Corinthians 2:14. It is the spiritual emptiness in the theist that prevents understanding. This is described in John chapter 3. by Jesus' dialogue with Nicodemus. Jesus said, quote, "You must be born again." He said, even a lifelong, highly knowledgeable religious scholar like Nicodemus could not understand because, like a broken satellite dish, he had no working spiritual receiver. Atheists don't get it because they can't receive it. Now listen up. This is important. Leave your comments below, and I'll be happy to address them.